All right, continuing suspension.
Yep.
These arms are pretty tough to get in those sockets, so Pops is taking...
Got a lot of powder coating on the ends of them.
So he's taking a modified Bondo eater. We got some of these at the Daytona show.
So just eat off some of that powder coating, make it easier to go through the hole up there on the body.
This is skin at the Pacific.
Meg?
Jig.
Oh, jig. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, these torsion bars are a bear, and Pop's already tried to put them up in there at one point, but they go through this hole here.
Yeah, I'll show you.
And then they come into here.
Okay, I'm gonna go start feeding it through.
All right, let's see what you got. Yep, you're keyed about the right way there.
But it'll have to go up.
Yeah, the whole cylinder has to go up.
Yeah, I'll go up.
No, he's got to go up with the...
Oh, up
Okay, now.
It's got to be clocked almost.
There it is.
It's in a little bit, yeah. It needs to be hit. Can we tap it?
Yeah.
I think you need to go down a little bit, Pop. Down. Yeah, right there looks loosey. And then smacky, smacky.
How far in?
Okay, it's got to go in far enough for
It needs a... It's got a little...
this locking ring
To go inside it.
Yes.
So get a...
There's
one
a
of these big
chisel over
punches.
there, Doug. Green one on the wall. Yep, it's going. Plug it in.
I think I see, yeah.
You see
I think
the
I see
ridge?
the ridge.
Yeah, maybe just in there. You might be able to get it in there, Pop. I just bought a new tool. If you need it, it's made for that.
Is it?
Oh, you didn't put your... It gets a rubber boot over this.
What?
You got to take it back out.
Rubber boot.
A rubber boot goes on.
I don't have one.
You need one.
I don't have a rubber boot for it.
Well, we'll refilm this when we get a rubber boot to put in there.